Hello everyone, Ollie the repair dude is here again. In this video, I'll be talking about workaround for iOS 17.7 and iOS 18.0.1 being unsigned by Apple to bypass iPhones using iRemove tool, which is to download iOS 17.6 beta 3 with a website. As you can see here, I have an iPhone 12 mini on the activation lock screen. First step is to go to the IPSW.dev product iPhone. This will be given in the description below, not to worry. I'll be giving this link. After which, search device name. For me, I search iPhone 12 mini. Click that. Then scroll down until you see iOS 17.6 beta 3. It's still signed by Apple, as you can see, and as of making of this video. Click that. Then after that, click download to download the IPSW file. I already downloaded the IPSW file in my downloads folder. The next step is to go to 3U Tools. You close the browser for now. Go to 3U Tools. Go to Smart Flash. Then click import. Go to your downloads folder and import the IPSW. Once imported, go to quick flash mode and flash your device to this 17.6. Flash. Allow it to flash. This will take quite some time, so be extremely patient. And boom, congratulations, clean flash completed. You have flashed your iPhone to iOS 17.6 beta 3. Let the phone load to the home screen and keep it on the setup menu without connecting the Wi-Fi. For iRemoval Pro Premium Edition, I'll be using that tool to bypass the phone. And boom, now it's on home screen. Just slide it like this. Don't connect to Wi-Fi. You can open iRemoval Pro Premium Edition 3.1.1 folder. Right click and open it as administrator. More info, click run anyways. Close the folder. Wait for it to check. This will take some time. If you yet to pay for the bypass, please register the serial number. For me, I previously registered the serial number, so I can just click activate and already processed for me. Just click activate and let it do this magic. It says your device has been successfully activated. Now for the final step, connect to Wi-Fi and update your device to iOS 17.7.1. You click OK. I'll show you the SIM works before I'll do the final steps. I'll take out my SIM card to show you that it works. I just ignore my camera error. The camera is very broken on this iPhone for the video. I'll show you the SIM works fine. Try to insert this SIM tray properly. Insert the SIM. This is an iPhone 12 mini. Let me show you that. Yep, the signal is working. Just hey ya 4G, you can see. Hey ya 4G, the signal is working, as you can see. We can make a call. Like dial 1688 for the Singtel hotline. Make sure I didn't cancel this. Looks like the call go through. For English, press 1. Call works. Now I'll be going through the final step, which is to OTA update the iPhone to iOS 17.7.1. Now for the final step of the bypass. Go to settings, go to software update by going to search software update. Let's search for updates. Make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi before doing the software update, which I already done, so the Wi-Fi is connected. This will take some time for the software update to search and to download. This will take some time, so be very patient. Go back and click update now to iOS 17.7.1. Tap this, agree, allow it to download and update the iPhone. This will take quite some time. You can ignore the iOS 18.1 update.
A few moments later.
Alright, the update downloading and preparing. You can just tap install now when you connect the charger. Let it verify the update. This will take some time, and let it install the update. This will take quite some time, so be very patient. Now let it restart. This will take some time. And boom, back to the hello screen. Continue the setup process. And boom, now on iOS 17.7.1, updated successfully via OTA or over the air. That's all for this video on how to downgrade your iPhone to iOS 17.6 beta 3, then bypass, then upgrade back to iOS 17.7.1. I hope you find this video useful. Please do like, share and comment, and please do subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you in another video again soon. Bye for now.